In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use GoHighLevel text to pay feature. This feature lets you quickly send a payment request to a customer directly from their contact profile, so they can pay from their phone without you needing to send an invoice separately. I'll walk you through each click, and I'll also share a few tips to help you avoid common mistakes. First, start by logging into your GoHighLevel account and heading over to your Launchpad. This is the main starting area you see when you first log in. From here, you'll have access to all the core tools, but for this process, we're going to focus on your contacts. Once you're on the Launchpad, look for the contacts option in the main menu and click on it. This opens up your full list of contacts. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar to find the specific person you want to charge. It's important to make sure you pick the right contact, since the payment request will be tied to this profile. Next, click on the name of the contact you want to charge. This takes you into their detailed contact view. Here you'll see their information, communication history, and other activity. Near the top of this page, look for the payments icon, which is usually displayed as a $sign. Go ahead and click on that icon to open the payments section for this contact. Inside the payments view, you'll see an actions button. Click on actions, and from the drop-down options that appear, choose charge now. This is what starts the process of creating a one-time charge that can be sent via text. A form will pop up asking for the amount. Carefully type in the amount you want to charge. Double check that you've entered the correct value, including cents if needed, because this is what your contact will actually be billed. Below the amount field, there's a space for a description. Type in a clear, simple description of what the payment is for, such as the service name, session date, or product. A good description helps your customer recognize the charge and can reduce payment disputes. Once you've confirmed that both the amount and the description are correct, look for the Confirm and Charge button. When you click Confirm and Charge, GoHighLevel will process the charge using the text to pay feature, sending the payment request to your contact so they can complete it from their device.